if we wanted to export this so that we could actually 3D print it, what we would first do is try and make the object, or in this case the terrain, more efficient so that the print times will be less. And to do that, we'll use the edit poly and then use the face or polygon selection tool and select the bottom face and drag it up. This way we don't waste any time printing unnecessary parts of the print. Then we'll export this, making sure that the file type is an STL. Then click OK. Then we'll open our slicer, in this case Cura. We'll then select our printing profile. In this case my printer's 0.8mm nozzle. It's for high volume printing. And then I would check, make sure that all my settings are correct. And then after that I will then open the file that we saved from 3ds Max. And then from here I can inspect, make sure that it's what I need, play with the scale, and also make sure that it's actually sitting flat on the printer. And then we can slice it, and we can preview it. As you can see, this is 4 hours, and that's about it.